allow me to introduce to you Miss Chanel.
In my good days and in my bad days, I'm just lucky that I know you'll always have me.
I got you.
There ain't nothing that I won't do for you. Oh boy, down since day one. So whatever problems may come, I know we'll find a way to figure it out.
I think it's funny how we never see each other, but every time we meet up, the feeling is never different. No awkwardness comes between us. We just talk about whatever's going through our minds, then sit down on the floor reciting movie quotes and lines. Yeah, you were the one that always got me into trouble, and I was the one that always got you out. Whenever you down in the dumps and there to get you out the rubble, I'll be there, so ain't nothing you should worry about. You tell me to stay humble even when I blow up, and the confidence in your voice tells me you know what's up. Long as you down, it's whatever you need, you got, and you stuck with me for life whether you like it or not. Cause it don't matter what the future may bring, it doesn't matter. Girl, I know that you would do the same thing. Yeah. Together we could find a way, and in the end it'll be okay. I'll be there
In my good days and in my bad days, I'm just lucky that I know you'll always have me.
I got you.
There ain't nothing that I won't do for you. Oh boy, down since day one. So whatever problems may come, I know we'll find a way to figure it out.
Yeah, I thought you couldn't keep up. My life was moving way too fast for them to handle, but not for you. You stuck with me throughout the battles. We in the same boat, I guess I better paddle and pull my weight now. You ain't gotta debate how you say no one does anything nice for you, even after all the times you gave him advice and ooh. But I'm still there and I'll play nice, and even though I'll fuss, and even when we fight we're good. No one said life was easy, but I got you, believe me. Even when you see me on magazine covers and TV, I'm glad you got to know me, the new me and the old me. So to my one and only, remember what you told me.